And then here we go.
Okay, now we're live. Okay.
Just waiting for some people to come
We
on.
thought we were live earlier when we were in here
not
trying to
we,
figure out what to
you.
do. No, both of us.
No, you.
Okay. Go in front of the camera.
That's fine.
Okay, you guys.
Okay, guys, so welcome to our live. Yeah, it's me, Nigel,
You can sit down if you want to.
your girl Jessica. She's behind the camera. I'm sure you hear her talking. I just want to say, today is National Small Business Women's Day, right?
Sounds good, yeah.
Right. So I just want to say shout outs to all the ladies out there, all the mothers, all the wives, all the sisters, all the daughters who are, doing their own business and, trying to make it better for themselves and their family, So big up to the woman today, all right? Mother Earth. Yeah, man. So we have a few things. Yeah, big up. Yeah, my wife and, we are husband and wife company, so big up to my wife also. All right, yeah, man. So what we wanted to share with you guys today was over the weekend, my wife, we've had a box, the giveaway box. So I think we're gonna figure out the winner today. So we have our lip butter, our body butter, our mango sugar scrub, and our bath bomb, mango madness bath bomb, and our Jamaican almond oil. All right, so here we go.
Don't close the box. Don't close the box. I'm so excited. Leave the box open so they can see. Come here, give me the box.
Okay. Here we go. Why don't you come around here so they can see you too?
Okay. Okay, you guys, I'm so
That's
excited.
better. You're like backseat driving.
I know. I'm so excited because I just thought this was just the perfect little box to get all your moisture. So, and it's all the yummy things we make. So first, there's Nigel's Jamaican almond oil, and I'm gonna let you talk about that. See, you guys, let's tell them the truth. I came and got Nigel. He was really outside. He was outside.
Trying to work on my aquaponics on the farm and stuff,
and I was like, come in, I need to do the live. We need to announce the winner. And he's like, what? I'm trying to grow some food. What are you talking about? So I kind of pulled a stunner on him, a little fast one on him.
It's all right. I was born ready, so.
Okay.
It's all good.
Yes.
Everyone ready.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so you explain the oil, and then I'm gonna go back around the camera so I can see if anybody is saying anything or have any questions that we need to answer.
Okay.
So go.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so I'm just gonna rest this box here.
Okay.
So this here in this little bottle here is our Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. You can use this as a moisturizer. You can also use it for dry skin, dry scalp, itchy skin. It does help with eczema also. You can use it as a natural sunscreen. Just to explain to you what Jamaican almond oil is, it's a different species of almond. This is the actual shell with the kernel inside. These are tropical almonds, so they're grown in tropical countries around the world on the coastline. So they get a lot of minerals from the ocean that is different from the almond here. And then this is the kernel. So we have almond kernel oil and I cold press in order to preserve all the minerals that's there. So as kids in Jamaica and a lot of the islands, not just Jamaica, growing up, we eat these. We sit under the tree with a rock a rock stone, and we put it on a rock, hold it very careful. Sometimes you smash your finger head, but we hit it until the shell pops open, and then we eat out of it. All right, but I didn't know that they were so nutritious and have so many different nutritional values until back in 2012. No, it was a little later than that, because back then I was making the almond drops, but in around 2014 I realized, after we started making oil and stuff, we realized all the nutritional values that's actually in these species of almonds. So now I make oil from it and share it with you guys. All right, so thank you for listening.
Okay, so they're gonna get the half ounce.
Half ounce,
Okay, how many almonds does it take to make that half ounce?
250 ounces.
250 Jamaican almonds to make that half
ounce.
ounce of oil.
Yeah.
Wow. Yes, of course I know that because
250 of these.
yes.
Because there's only one kernel in each shell.
Right.
So
So you're gonna get the half ounce of the almond oil. You're gonna get the lip butter.
a little butter.
That is that my tester can?
No.
Oh, okay. Because I was gonna say put some of that on, babe.
Oh. Your tester can. I think it's in the workshop. Yeah, and you guys are also gonna get the mango body butter. It's a 1 ounce can.
Wait, here I found a tester
And,
can. I found a tester can.
You're. Okay, now, thank you.
You guys,
Okay.
when you work and you live with your spouse for 8 years, it gets a little nutty, huh? Babe.
Yeah, I guess you can say so. So,
Especially with me as your wife.
and we also have the mango sugar scrub.
But tell them about the lip butter, babe. Tell them what the lip butter does for you.
Why don't you come
But you
around
have
here
it
and tell-
on.
Come on, babe. You come around here and tell them about the lip butter.
You
Like,
have
you're-
some on.
you're
Like,
backseat
what did
driver
you
now.
like about?
Hold up.
What did you like whenever I made the lip butter? What did you like about it?
I love that it make my lips soft and not cracky, because I used to use lip butter before, and it would make my lips cracky. So
And
and it would make me not feel so good, like nauseous. So yeah. So I really love that about this. And I don't, like, I've used it where I'm good, because I've used it so often. But
and it's vegan. There's
Yes.
there's nothing in it other than the sunflower wax. So there's
Right.
no beeswax or
Right.
anything in it.
right,
So it's completely natural.
yeah.
Very
And
cool.
then we have our mango body butter.
Okay, so look, I know you're ready to get back outside. I know that's why you're giving me trouble. So why don't you just go right behind you? There's a bowl from Bohemian Bowls, our friends at Bohemian
California.
Bowls from California. So
Okay.
that has all the
Coconut.
names in it.
Coconut shell.
The coconut
Yeah.
shell, yes. So bring it forward and mix it up. Show them you're mixing it up. Show them you got all the names in there. Okay, show them it's legit. It's a legit contest. I sat and wrote down everybody's Instagram handle by hand.
All right.
Okay.
Go for it. Here we go.
No, you pick it and I'll read it because I know my handwriting is a little jacked up. I had to write a lot. So you just that.
When your hands doing it for so long.
Okay, you pick it.
Okay.
You pick it. You pick it. You pick it. You pick it. Hey, Karen. Hey, Natural Wildflower. Hi, Sente. Oh my gosh, you got to come to our
All right.
new house. Okay, go.
Here we go.
Okay, let's see. Who it is? It's Angela Tamaratala. Okay, that is our winner for Instagram. Yes, girl. Go ahead and DM us. We're going to DM you. And you won. Winner, winner, winner. And show them, show off, show her box, show her box, show what she won. Yes,
yeah.
yes. Yes, yes. Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much, everybody who played with
There we
us.
go.
Thank you very, very much. So, yay, Angela.
Wow.
You, Angeli Tamaratala. Okay, I know I mispronounced that, but here's her name. She's the winner. We're gonna go and head over to Facebook now so that
Alright.
we can announce our Facebook winner. And you guys, you think we should do another contest? This is really a lot of fun. So I think we might have another contest coming. All right.
So,
We'll talk to you soon. Bless and love. All right. Bye-bye.
alright.